Hello everyone. Here we are going to discuss the experiment study of troubleshooting of electrical equipment based on actual visit to repair shop. So here we are taking the example of transformer. Now this is the practical under third year electrical the program, and the subject name is electrical installation, maintenance and testing. Now we know the transformer. So transformer having oil conservator, then radiator, fan, windings and core, tank, bushing. So these are the assembly parts of transformer. Now here we are taking the examples of transformer and its troubleshooting. What are the causes for its fault? We will discuss here. Now first trouble is overheating of transformer. So overheating, what are the causes? First one is loads, then failure of cooling system, high ambient temperature, and for this purpose we have to check cooling system, whether fan are operating, whether cooling coil water is circulating. Then we have to reduce the load so that there is no any overload. Then if overload problem is occurring for long duration, install another transformer in parallel. The ambient temperature is higher than the considered in specification of transformer, derate the transformer. Second trouble is sustain higher voltage on primary, resulting in overheating of core due to overfusing. So because of that, what are the causes? Poor voltage control of power system, use of shunt reactors and tap changing transformer to control the busbar voltage. The transformer fails due to sustained over voltage, which provides fluxing protection and over voltage protection for busbar if density depends upon V1 ratio. Generator transformer get overflux during for frequency operation. Then third trouble is frequent external short circuit. The causes for this trouble is insufficient clearances on overhead lines, accumulation of dust on insulation. Then remark about this: transformer winding should be capable of withstanding repeated external short circuit without failure. So transformer should be provided with overcurrent protection. Next one is short circuit between adjacent turns, usually higher voltage winding. So sharp corner on the conductor cutting into insulation, external short circuit, moisture in oil, fluctuating loads, transient over voltages. The remark is Buckow's relay should operate and sound alarm over current, and differential protection should operate and open the circuit breaker. Next one is internal short circuit. The causes are sustained overload and insulation fails, fault in tap changer, failure in end turns of coil due to over voltage surges, bad solder joint causing local overheating and open circuit, aging of insulation, etc. So these are the remarks for this is overcurrent protection, earth fault protection and differential protections are needed. Next is moisture in oil. The moisture in the oil while filling the transformer oil. The breather is saturated, then defective cells. Oil should be filtered, silica gel should be replaced, gasket should be replaced, transformer should be dried out. Next one is rapid deterioration of oil solid insulation. The causes are excessive overloading, presence of moisture, poor quality of oil, partial discharges. It causes the cause should be determined and corrective action to be taken. And last one, carbon and other conducting particles in oil. What are the causes? Because of carbon and other conducting particles in oil, there is sparking in the oil. Excessive temperature of oil occurs, and so that the conducting particles line up on insulation surface, causing reduction in insulation resistance or failure by tracking transformer needs overload. So this is related to study troubleshooting of transformer based on visit to repair workshop. So thank you for watching this video.